Okay, this is the lab test for horn antenna and the chamber for the snail. So basically the power use is still the same, 2 GHz frequency with 13 dBm. So it's connected to the horn antenna, and the horn antenna is connected to the chamber grid, and the snails is placed inside this chamber. Okay, so we're gonna leave this for a few hours to be observed.